Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Juliet Revitta, your teacher vlogger, bringing you another video. If you're new here, by the way, I work in 5-1 Talk as an online English teacher. So in this channel, I share content about 5-1 Talk to help aspiring teachers and newly launched teachers in the platform. So in this episode, teachers, I am going to share with you how I make my ice cream reward. Okay, so you can use this one during your classes and even for your upcoming mock demo. So having a good reward system is very important, teachers, when conducting your online class. Of course, teachers, our students will become more motivated to do well in the class. So just a disclaimer, teachers, I am not an artistic person, but of course our job as teachers demands us to be more creative, okay? So please bear with the output of my reward, okay? So, okay teachers, this is now the finished product. I actually put a cardboard at the back of it para hindi siya madaling mapunit or mag-wrinkle. I intentionally put this one here in the whiteboard para mas handy siya at makita ni student yung progress niya throughout the lesson. I also put the name here of the student para makita nila kung how many scoop na yung nakuha nila during our lesson. So that's all for today teachers. I hope that you like this video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up. And please also do consider subscribing to my YouTube channel and tap the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload new videos. And if you have video suggestions, recommendations, and questions, feel free to comment down below, okay? I'll try to respond as fast as I can. Now, thank you again for watching. This is your teacher Juliet at your service. Goodbye. See you again next time.